up, my crypto fellows? It is a beautiful Friday here, and I just wanted to deliver some news that I thought would be great for you guys to know, push us more into the digital future, bridge some gaps, especially with Coinbase. So I know a lot of people aren't fans with Coinbase. Um, the high fees, the cooperation with governments, the list goes on. But Coinbase has been pushing and paving a direction into the digital future, and they are leading. Like they definitely are making a lot of great changes in the crypto world, and now they have been accepted as principal member for Visa. So you guys have seen the debit cards around. I think they're being tested in some countries, but now the debit cards the cards have been accepted with Visa. So they're actually the first crypto company, pure crypto firm, as you can see here, that is approved as a Visa principal member. So doing so, I'm assuming they're going to roll these out. You can start using the Coinbase crypto debit card as a Visa card as well. And it says here they're going to expand, and it's going to be available in 29 markets with 10 cryptocurrencies supported. So essentially, you'll have your card and you'll have your crypto in the Coinbase wallet. And I think that you shouldn't hold all your money there, but if you have, some spending money, or if you're trying to spend that money, send it from a hardware wallet, or if you're going on vacation and you need a couple $1,000s out of your crypto portfolio, send it directly to the Coinbase account, and then you start tapping it as a debit card, as a credit card, however you want to spend it. Personally, spending before the next bull run or the big, block reward halving that everybody's waiting for, not my thing. I'm going to keep stacking them sats. Just to remind you guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment so you never miss out on any opportunity. We're going to be sharing Bitcoin trading opportunities, altcoin trading opportunities. Our platform is going to be up soon, so we're going to be giving away memberships to our platform. We're going to be doing trading sessions, giving strategies, and all that fun stuff, so you guys can join us and see you guys at the top after this all explodes. This Tradesatoshi, I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with this exchange. 2017, I was using it to trade these altcoins and made some really good money on it. A lot of exchanges are going down, so you never want to hold your cryptocurrency in an exchange as a wallet, as a cold wallet, as a storage, or as your bank account, whatever it is. You don't want to do that. So um, if you have any money on Tradesatoshi, RIP, another exchange bites the dust. What's Dogecoin doing? That's one of my favorite coins. It's a shit coin. Um, so if you have any cryptocurrency on Tradesatoshi, move it or you're going to lose it. And let's move on to security checkups. This is the last thing I wanted to share with you guys. Keep it short on Friday. And then you guys can go enjoy your weekend or trade or whatever you guys do on Fridays. So the 3 security checkups might touch on more. One, remember that if it's not on your wallet, it's not yours. This is a perfect example. As you can see here, Tradesatoshi. If it's not in your wallet, you'll lose it. I think 2 exchanges went down, Upbit or Altsbit, and Fcoin losing over $200 million, maybe 150, 175 million, a staggering number. Regardless, never leave your crypto on an exchange. If it's not in your private wallet, if you don't have the private keys, if it's not in a cold storage, it's not in your crypto. It's simple as that. If exchange goes offline, if it exits scams, if it gets hacked, or if it gets governmented. So it's like maybe they're not following rules or regulations, and then it gets frozen, and they have to comply and they have to stop or halt all deposits, withdrawals, and trading. You're going to get affected. So don't. It's like Coinbase wallet. Don't send what you don't need to use for maybe spending or trading. So make sure none of your cryptocurrency is on an exchange, or you might wake up and it's gone. Literally, we can spend the next 5 minutes, 10, 30 minutes, the whole day actually talking about exchanges, how many have lost money, how many have went down, all the various reasons, and all that good stuff. Secure your passwords and related crypto data. Huge. Do not put your private keys on the web. Don't let your private, like, don't ever type your private keys in unless you're obviously restoring your wallet. But most of these exchanges are doing it, not exchanges, but recovery methods, depending on what wallet you're using. They'll switch up the words and the sequence of it. And unless you're sweeping a wallet that you're backing up or whatnot, I wouldn't type your private keys in like for no reason. Don't give anybody your private keys. Also, don't use the same passwords you use for any account for your crypto accounts. And what you want to do is, where's my YubiKey? This thing right here. I just want to make sure there's no data on it. But this, if anybody tries to log into my email, to my Facebook, to my Gmail, they need to literally plug this in and touch it right here. So unless you have me, you're not logging into any of my accounts. And if you get me, I'll gladly give you, unless I don't travel with my YubiKey key either. So, just make sure not to post any of your sensitive information, especially the same ones. Maybe use a different email, use different passwords. For number 3, keep your cards close to your chest. So this is just like keeping a low profile. This is like, you don't want to flaunt the crypto you have. The crypto you have can be worth a lot. And to me, a lot of people are targeting crypto because people think that it's like untraceable, but you can actually follow it if you don't know what you're doing. It's pretty easy to follow the transaction because everything's public on the blockchain. But you don't want to flaunt your crypto. You don't want to let the public know like you have this crypto or that crypto, or be overly sharing your secrets. Keep your cards close to your chest. I started making YouTube videos trying to teach people how to trade, trying to teach people about securities. I actually got some swapped twice because my information is available online. And I've definitely done a lot better to take that information offline, or not share the things that can fall into hackers' hands and things like that. So it's like SIM swaps. A lot of social engineering has to happen with that, and it's a scary thing, especially if you're uneducated, to leave your crypto on a hardware, not on a hardware wallet or somewhere safe. You get SIM swapped, you lose everything. Happened to some pretty competent investors as well, and they actually ended up suing AT&T and winning. I think it was like 250 mil they won. So very crazy. That's all I wanted to share with you guys this Friday. Just some news, some security before we go into the biggest bull run ever. So that's it from my end. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. If you want us to review any coin, any technical analysis, whatever it is, let us know. And make sure you don't ever miss literally an episode or an opportunity. So make sure you subscribe. Our platform's coming out soon, and you can be winning a free membership, which is going to be $1,000, where you can learn how to trade, learn how to invest, learn how to secure your assets, so you never lose them and you're not vulnerable to any hacks. That's basically it. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.